Hi, I'm Rob, and this is today's Show Ready Moment. Utilizing video playback for your live event is an essential part of captivating your audience. Whether you're honoring an award recipient or showing off a highlight reel of your company's most recent successes, video playback can switch the mood in an instant at your live event. Here are some things to consider for running video playback at your show. Work with your lighting designer to create a video look. This usually entails fading out the stage wash and dimming the house lights to make your audience focus on the mood shift. Another nice touch is to bring the upstage lights to a blue hue, further emphasizing the tonal shift. This helps eliminate eye strain and adds a sense of elegance to this part of the show. Finally, have your host naturally cue the video. A lead-in is always welcome and helps soothe the transition to a new part of the event. Coming out of a video, leave room for an applause break or a standing ovation. Having a short acknowledgement from the host is a great way to bookend the playback portion of your program. Coming out of a video, leave room for an applause break or a standing ovation. Having a short acknowledgement from the host is a great way to bookend the playback portion of your program. Thank you for joining us for another Show Ready Moment.